and namaste, welcome to ITTI Computer World, and today you are going to be amazed to see what we have brought for you. Of course, you're a laptop now, but what this laptop offers is amazing. As we all know, gaming laptops performance ekdam top notch huncha, but their weight has been on heavy side. Ani battery backup pani comparatively less नै हुन्छ. So धेरै जस्तो मान्छेहरुको इच्छा के हुन्छ भनेपछि मलाई गेमिङ ल्यापटप लेभलको performance एउटा slim and thin laptop मा भइदिए हुन्थ्यो जस्तो हुन्छ. So we have a solution for that. Presenting ASUS ROG Zephyrus G16 2024, the device that does it all. So let's dive into the video to know more about the laptop. So we have finished the unboxing. अनि first मा चाहिँ हामीलाई यो box दिएको छ. We get the 200 watt को charging brick here. ROG Strix impact mouse पनि दिएको छ अनि एउटा power cable. And also you get this kind of sleeve, so you can carry your precious laptop safely. ल सबै box एकछिन side मा राखौ and let's talk about the star of the show. About its build quality, यसमा चाहिँ हामीलाई full aluminum alloy body दिएको छ र यस्तो robust build quality हुँदा हुँदै पनि surprisingly यो laptop एकदम lightweight छ. It weighs 1.8 kgs. Can you believe it? Now coming to its ports, right side मा हामीलाई दिएको छ SD card slot अनि त्यसपछि USB A and then USB C. अनि left side मा हामीलाई दिएको छ power input port, HDMI port, त्यसपछि USB C Thunderbolt port, USB A and then 3.5 mm jack. Bottom side में हेर्ने भने you get two ear intakes and you get the speakers. By the way, यसमा चाहिँ 6 वटा speakers छ. 2 are front firing speakers, 2 are bottom speakers and 2 are tweeters. अनि यो ल्यापटपको सबैभन्दा मन परेको कुरा के हो भने as you can see, the trackpad is very massive, so you get the MacBook Pro kind of vibe here. Normal laptop haruमा you get the function key ma F1, F2, F3 लेखेको देखिन्छ, but here ASUS has done M1, M2, M3 पनि. Is ASUS planning something? Keyboard चाहिँ you get the single zone RGB keyboard here, and the key travel distance is 1.74 mm. So typing in this laptop is going to be the breeze experience for you. Build and design को कुरा त भइहाल्यो. Now let's move into the display section. So यसमा चाहिँ हजुरले 16 inch को QHD plus OLED panel पाउनुहुन्छ with 240 Hz को refresh rate अनि NVIDIA G-Sync support पनि छ यसमा. So for your information, G-Sync को support OLED screen मा अहिलेसम्म कुनै पनि ल्यापटपमा पाउनु हुन्थेन हजुरले because it was not possible, but here ASUS has yet again broken the barrier. र 500 nits को consistent brightness पनि पाउन सक्नुहुन्छ यो डिस्प्लेमा तपाईले. And also the color accuracy is very brilliant in this laptop, accounting 100% DCI P3 rating and 98% sRGB rating. अनि generally हजुरहरुले Gorilla Glass को support smartphones मा मात्र सुन्नु भएको थियो होला, but not here. You get Gorilla Glass support in this laptop also. So display पनि एकदम durable पाउनुहुन्छ. Now here comes the best part of the laptop. यति thin र lightweight भए पनि you get Intel Core Ultra 9 को processor which can be overclocked up to 5.1 GHz. अनि additionally you get NVIDIA RTX 4070 8GB graphic card पाउनुहुन्छ हजुरले र स्टुडियो भर्जनको ग्राफिक कार्ड हो, so it is pretty much powerful for your all tasks. र यो ल्यापटपमा एउटा इन्ट्रेस्टिङ कुरा चाहिँ के छ भनेपछि you get integrated graphic card also. So dedicated graphic card use नभएको बेला चाहिँ integrated graphic card use मा आइराको हुन्छ with mux switch. With mux switch basically you can freely switch between hybrid and discrete graphics mode. So for instance, if you are doing normal tasks like documentation and web browsing, you can use the hybrid graphics mode, and if you want to play games or do some GPU intensive work, you can use the discrete graphics mode.
Oh my god! Wow!
Coming to its memory and storage, you get 32 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM with 7467 MHz को RAM speed. एकदम blazing fast RAM छ यसको. And plus you get 1 TB को PCIe Gen 4 SSD. So read and write speed पनि एकदम fast छ because it's Gen 4. Overall यो ल्यापटप को कुरा गर्ने हो भने performance मा चाहिँ कुनै पनि speed lag पाउनु हुँदैन. So यति नै थियो यो ल्यापटप को review plus unboxing मा, and if you want to grab this laptop at an amazing price, you can either place order through our website or mobile app, or you can visit our store at Putal Sarak and Kamaladi. So यो recently launched भएको ल्यापटप भएर अहिले हामीले early bird discount पनि राखेको छौं of Rs 10,000. So what you are waiting for? Hurry up and grab it while the offer lasts. This was all for the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.